degrees.
Good evening, Northeast Kansas. Thanks for joining us here on KSNT News. It's a bounty of blue over the Little Apple, and that's been the case across the region. But all of this sunshine is making for another hot one. It's 97 degrees right now in the capital city, but with a dew point at 70, it makes it feel like 104 out there. It's very much another day that you have to stay hydrated and cool the best you can. Not only here in the capital city, some of our western areas even hotter air temperature wise. It's still 100 degrees for Manhattan and Junction City, 101 for Clay Center right now. But you'll notice some of our eastern areas a little bit cooler. It's 88 in Hiawatha. That's all due to the difference in our dew point temperatures. The drier air, where you see those low 60s, it's easier to heat things up as opposed to a dew point in the mid 70s. That is just a little bit more difficult for those temperatures to climb, but it makes a difference with our heat index values across the board. It's steamy out there. It doesn't feel like 88 in Hiawatha, rather 97, 105 for a real feel in Holton right now. But notice not the biggest jump in the heat index values for our western areas. 102 for a real feel in Junction City. 103 is what it's feeling like outside in the Little Apple right now. Across the board, there is a breeze, but it's a warm south wind at about 10 to 22 miles per hour. We hold on to that south wind throughout the course of the night tonight. It backs off slightly, but we still keep a 5 to 15 mile per hour range for our sustained winds. But look at what happens as we progress throughout the day on Monday. We get more of a northwest wind starting to return, clashing with that south wind. This is our next cold front that's going to push through, but it pushes through late in the day. So ahead of it, we stay warm and on the hot side. Even heading out the door tomorrow morning, you'll be waking up to temperatures in the 70s. And we're still looking at highs in the 90s for tomorrow ahead of that front. I don't think it will be quite as hot as today, but not the biggest dip off in our temperatures just yet. But otherwise, it is quiet out there. Satellite and radar shows we are crystal clear. Some of these clouds will start to roll in later on tonight, so we will see a few more clouds throughout the course of the night tonight into the start of your Monday. But still, a mostly sunny first half of your day on Monday. However, as that cold front pushes through, it actually could trigger, especially late in the afternoon into the evening, a few scattered showers and storms before that pushes off to the southeast. And there is the potential for some of these storms to be severe. You'll notice, especially our eastern areas, under this slight risk for severe weather. That would be for tomorrow afternoon into the evening. As of right now, the main threats look to be the possibility of damaging wind gusts and some large hail. But a look at your 7-day forecast shows a little bit of relief behind that front. We fall back into the 60s Monday night into Tuesday with 80s for Tuesday and Wednesday. But Wednesday is when we also introduce yet another chance of a few scattered showers and storms. But beyond that, the second half of the week, we will see temperatures heat right back up as we get back into the 90s once again.